Dear students, now we are telling about the course of ureter. After formation of the ureter at the level of the lumbar 2 vertebra, it passes in front of the transverse processes of lumbar 2, 3, 4, 5 vertebrae, and then when it reaches to the pelvic brim, here it enters the pelvic cavity by crossing either the bifurcation of common iliac artery or beginning of the external iliac artery. This part of the ureter is plastered to the parietal peritoneum. Then the pelvic part of the ureter begins. At first the ureter passes downwards beneath the peritoneum of the lateral pelvic wall along the anterior margin of the greater sciatic notch and reaches the level of the ischial spine. This is known as the first part or vertical part of the ureter. From the ischial spine, the ureter passes forwards and medially through the extraperitoneal tissue above the levator ani muscle and reaches the superolateral angle of the base of the urinary bladder at a distance of about 5 cm from the opposite ureter. This is known as the second or oblique part of the ureter. Finally, the ureter pierces the musculature of the bladder, undergoes an oblique submucosal course downwards and medially through the bladder wall and opens into the interior of the latter. This is known as the intraphysical part of the ureter, which is about 2 cm long. The third part is represented in the interior of the bladder by a ureteric fold of mucous membrane, which extends upwards and laterally from the corresponding ureteric orifice. And this course is very important for the examination. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.